In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a GoDaddy website. If you want to make a document available for your visitors, like a brochure, menu, guide, form, or downloadable resource. GoDaddy makes the process fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website where you want the PDF to appear. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have under your account, including websites, domains, and any other services. Look through the list and select the specific website you want to update. It's important to choose the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. After selecting the right website, click Edit Website. This will open your website editor, where you can make changes to the pages and content visitors see. Once the editor loads, go to the specific page where you want the PDF to appear. Think about where it will be most useful for your audience so it's easy for them to find. Now click Add Section on that page. This lets you insert new content blocks into your website layout. In the section options, enter PDF in the search area, then click on the PDF-related option when it appears and add it to the page. This step places the correct type of section onto your website so you can connect your file. Once that's done, you'll be able to locate the PDF you want to add. Click Upload File, then browse your device and select the document. After the file finishes uploading, make sure it's attached properly in the section you added. It's a good idea to double-check the file name so you know you selected the correct document. When everything looks right, review the page to confirm the PDF section appears where you want it. If needed, you can reposition it within the page for better visibility. This helps make the document easier for visitors to access. And that's it. You've now added a PDF to your GoDaddy website. Once you finish, just make sure your changes are saved and published so your visitors can actually see and use the file.